Hi guys, it is May and that is prime rose season in the Mid-Atlantic. We're here in the Rose Garden of the United States Botanic Garden in Washington, D.C. And I want to share a few of the many roses that are just putting on such a gorgeous display. So I'll give a walkabout. We'll show some up-close photos of some of these roses. And I'll always try to grab the label so that you can see the label in case it's something you're interested in growing yourself. We've got several here. These are shrub roses. This pink here looks like Buckbee Carefree Beauty. I'm gonna pan a little to catch a few of these over in the far corner. This is Quietness is the variety. Kind of a pale peach color here. Some nice new growth happening on those leaves that are coming out red. I see some nice pink beauty over there happening. Let's see if we can grab a few of these. If you caught our photos a few days ago, this is one of those Banksian roses, Lutea bright yellow, that was just putting on quite a show. You can even see sort of the remnants of some of those flowers, but they're really nice earlier in the spring. So it looks like we have quite a long name here on this Flora Bunda rose. So I might have a German early name there. Pink Emily is the later name, but a really nice sort of soft yellow in the middle. Here, the wind's blowing, so you can pick it up a little bit to grab some of those yellow colors in the middle. Right there. Really nice. Some pinks and a winter sunset. So it's like the flowers start off as an orange and then has a pale yellow color, a soft yellow. It's winter sunset shrub rose there. Some nice shrub roses here. This is Foxy Pavement. Bright pink. A nice shrub shape. There's a Pat Austin rose, AUS Mom. I'm going to pick it up to show the inside. Looks like this one's a little past spent. But a very soft yellow and peach color there on that one. I don't know if I've been finished. And look, a nice white allium with a little bee visitor. A lot of alliums you'll see will be in the purples. Those are all in the onion family. A nice white one there, mixing things up. Check this out. Elsi Pulsum, Flora Bunda rose. Lots of beautiful pinks. Looks like a light white color there in the middle. And a very soft pink on this with a really tight, look at that, they stay really tight for a while before they open. This one is Duchesse de Brabant tea rose. Pull back and show you the full size there of that rose. Here's some of our bird friends enjoying the morning here beside us. A green ice rose, a miniature rose here. There on the edge of the boxwoods. Ooh, and some very vibrant ones here. All right, so two nice bell, oh so easy Italian ice Flora Bunda rose. So I'm going to pull over here to the side because we've got so many of them blooming. And there's a really big variety in colors. So I see a yellow here with sort of those orangey peach edges, sort of a coral with yellow. Pinks, I mean, look at that. They are really just giving a vibrant show there of various colors. I see pinks and reds and yellows and whites in the background. I wonder, this might be one of those cupcake roses. We'll catch the label here in just a minute. But a really deep pink purple almost there to start with, and then softening to almost white as they age. Let's go catch the name of this one here. Oh, nope, it's a sweet pea. Sweet pea Polyanthur rose. Whoa, this is red. That is vibrant. Beautiful color here on these red roses. Let's see what this one is. There you go. Another shrub rose. Hi, Mr. Robin. Hopping along the ground there. Autumn Damask rose here. Catch the name of this one. And this one has a very light, almost lime green sort of leaf on it. And look at that, lots of thorns on this one. But they are very colorfully bright pink. I'll show you here from one from the top. Look at that. I love the dramatic sort of brighter green leaves. That really does show out a lot. Now here is a sunny knockout, rad sunny knockout shrub rose. We start out as a very buttery yellow, a lemony butter, softening to a pale white with yellow centers. Look at those. Really nice. We have some more whitish pink ones here. This is Marie Daly, Haliantha rose. And a bit larger, very vibrant coral, sort of coral and orange and yellow. Just a stunner here. And loaded with blooms. Let's just see if we can figure out what its name is over here. There we go. Peach Drift Shrub Rose. And it is vibrant. We'll go grab these two before we forget. Here's Marie Pavier, Polyanthur rose. White with just a subtle hint of pink in this one. Nice glossy green leaves. And whoa, at the different petals on this one. Look at these quantity of petals here. That is very petal-tastic. Let's go catch the name on this. It's a Flora Bunda rose. Here we go. Protecto Summer Romance. Wow. Look at that. Just a beauty. There's roses everywhere to look at. Let's go grab a few of these. You know what? Let's go to the side over here. Check out these red ones. So two different red ones side by side. This is more of a deep purpley red on this one. This is a China rose Cremoisy superior. That's a good French name. And it is red, but a slightly more purpley than the one behind it, which is a little red, but a little more pink red. Let's go see what this is. John Franklin Shrub Rose. Pull back and show the whole size there. And maybe from over here you can tell that other one's a little more purple red. Here's another one of those very vibrantly colored ones. Sorry about that. There was an alarm that popped up. Let's check out what variety this one is. Savannah hybrid tea rose. And those are huge flowers. Maybe some of the biggest ones I've seen yet today. Here's a soft BAI Cream Easy Elegance Macy's Pride Shrub Rose. A soft yellow white. Look at that. Just beautiful. And here's another one. This is a soft soft pinky color, softening to white over there. See some purple, it's like clematis there behind. Let's see if we can catch the name on this one. He's really grown a lot this spring and overgrown his label. So AUS Blush Heritage Shrub Rose. Oh, sorry, there we go. A really nice shape on this one. And we got some peonies beginning to bloom as well. Oh, here's another AUS Miss Graham Thomas Shrub Rose. A very orangey yellow tint. And some beautiful peonies mixed in. You see those behind. Sally Holmes hybrid hybrid musk rose. Very open. So I've seen a lot of the bees and pollinators be attracted to these. And you can see it sort of changes colors. Starts a peachy color with a yellow center, softening to white over there. There's just so many to look at. Here's a yellow submarine variety. Look at that. Easy Elegance Yellow Submarine. Cecile Brunner. A light pinky white color as well. Just starting to bloom there, so not a lot of flowers on it. As opposed to this stunner, which is just covered with roses. I think his label's on the other side. We'll catch him in just a minute. And then really soft pink and white one starting to happen over here in this corner. Oh no, I saw they had a few labels in hand, moving stuff this morning, making sure everything was correctly labeled. And I might have missed the label for this one. I might have caught them in progress, so not sure what this is. I can check to see if anyone's really interested. I think this one might be that Oh So Easy cupcake. We can check it out and make sure we learn for you. But to catch the name of this red one though, look at there, Red Raz Knockout. And it is very vibrant, isn't it? Let's catch one or two more here. We got a Pearl d'Or Polyanthur rose. And above, a Buff Beauty, which is taller and just loaded with beautiful orange colored flowers. We'll catch the label here for you so you can see it. Buff Beauty. And look at this. Mount Vernon Purple Noisette. Some nice soft purple pinks on that one. What a nice combination and contrast there between those colors. Ah, there's so many to look at. We got a Blythe Spirit here, a US school shrub rose. And they have both pinks and yellows on the same bush. Here's a Gruson Aachen Polyanthur rose. Sound like that might have also been German. I might have messed that one up. Well, that's a quick tour of some of the roses blooming right now. Thank you so much for joining with us, and hope you enjoyed.